Stubbity-dum, stubbity-dum, Frosty! Stubbity-dum, stubbity-dum. Stubbity-dum-dum, stubbity-dum-dum.
Hey, look at Frosty go! Woo!
Here's the best I think this story is gonna be. A couple years ago, I came to this island. I found the friendliest donkey. He lives right up here. I called him Frosty. I don't know if he has a name. I brought him apples and I thanked him. I said, "You have only added to this trip, Mr. Frosty." Well, you know, 2 years have gone by, and since then, when people are visiting Patmos, people send me pictures of Frosty. Is this Frosty? I'm like, so I know he's been doing well. Hello? Hello? Hey, beautiful. I brought you an apple, but I don't think I can give it to you. I don't need to pet or to be near Frosty. I just need to know he's doing well. It makes me happy. I could throw him. Frosty, heads up. Enjoy your apple. All right, come on. We're going back to the hotel. I've been all over this island, but I haven't been to my own hotel. I want to stop. You want to try something? It's called using the hotel. For me, it's a rarity. First time in the water. Oh my God. This is not my thing. Look what I'm doing. Any other place, that would be so freaky. You know, I met people in the port at a restaurant. We sat and talked, and they've watched these videos. That's always amazing to me. And he asked me, "Did you bring your skateboard this time?" I went, "No, not this time. Not this time." Here, you want to see something? Here, look, right here. There's my hotel. And that's my room, all right? Top right-hand corner. Yeah. I feel like somewhere there's a bride and a groom who did not get the honeymoon suite. No. Didn't work out for them, did it? I'm so glad I'm in this water. You know, this has been my destination the past couple of Mays, right? Mid-May, 15th, 20, I don't know. Definitely before Memorial Day. And I was a spectator. Oh, I saw the water. You're not getting in that water, it's too cold. I saw the building. Oh, they're not open. They don't open until season. So I haven't been in September for a while. This is my 9th day here. This is the first day that, how can I say this? I'm really organically relaxed in here. Yeah. No offense. No offense. But you do know the constant getting the shot. Walking through a door 3 times to get all the angles. Yeah, I love it. It's exhausting. It's exhausting. And my drone crashing the other day, in some ways, it's the best thing. Yeah, I'm not thinking about that part. Anyway, enough. Jibber jabber. So, you remember when I arrived, I was greeted with open arms and a remembrance of 2 years ago. Yeah. I was also invited to pick fruit at his house, fruit from his garden. Yeah. And here's the deal. That's Greek people, folks. And, ready for this? It also says that I don't look like a lunatic. You want to say hi? Hello. Say hi. So here's the deal. It would be insulting to not take advantage of that.
You want to match you to go to see the donkeys there?
I heard them. No, I didn't want to. You know what I want to do?
You want to give you a gift one donkey?
I take a donkey home?
Yes?
What's that?
Come with me.
We can go now? All right. This is awesome.
Easy, madam.
Coming through, coming through. This is all your food?
Yes.
Ah, you weren't kidding me.
Yes, come with me.
Okay. Now, what are these beautiful things? What are these?
Kidoni.
Kivoni. I don't know what that is. What was the little plate? Was that fig?
Kidoni. Kidoni.
Kivonia.
Kidoni.
Kivonia.
Bravo.
Take it one.
Is it?
Clean and eat.
It's like
Good. It's good.
Kivoni. All right. Let's see. Oh, this is a lot of work. How do you take care of all this? How do you take care of all this? Huh? Isn't this a lot of work? What is this?
Eat.
This is a plum.
No, it's very low chemical.
How good is that? Listen, thank you for everything. This really meant so much to me. My friend, just like the fruit, you have made my trip that much sweeter. Yeah, that much sweeter.